Hi there. So today's project, we're gonna clear some snow off my roof over here. Yeah, it snowed during the week, so I got a little snow on the roof. I wanted to clean it off. And our snow rake, as they call them, is stored up here in the rafter somewhere. Oh, there it is. So I just have to get the snow rake out. There we go. So this is my latest snow rake. It has an extension handle so you can extend it. I thought with this overhang, might as well take it down. Looks like the neighbor's done his. I can see over there, he doesn't have any overhang on his. And then the far one down there does. Wow, neato. But I'm gonna continue to clean mine. So in the winter time, we get all this snow around the bottom of our house. And we have a couple situations. This one is a window well to our basement, but this is where our new furnace exhaust on the top and intake on the bottom comes in. So we have to keep that clear. A bit of a nuisance. Over here, they put in fresh air for the furnace, and that's an exhaust for our downstairs bathroom, and they're at ground level, crazy. And here's our window wells. And what I like to do is cover the window well up with a framework of plastic to keep the snow out, and in the summertime it's to keep the rain out. If it starts raining from overhead, keep some of the rainwater out. But right now, this time of year, I like to have some light in the basement, so I use a clear plastic, and I like to keep the snow out of the window well. So I'm just going to take this one out. It kind of filled up, and what happened, I was cleaning the snow off the top of it, and I cut the plastic. I'm just going to put some new plastic on this one. I've got my window well frame here, and I just have to take the plastic off. I'm out in the garage, so I got gloves on. Still cold. It's cold out here, so I'll call it quits. I now have the roof cleaned off, the window wells covered up, and we're good for a few more days till it snows again. Thanks for watching a baby boomer in Winnipeg. If you like them, be sure to subscribe. Have a great day from Winter in Winnipeg.